Hi, my name's Charlotte, and I'm an artist who often uses everyday objects in new or unusual ways to make new artworks. This activity is called Recreate the Wrekin. We're going to creatively build a structure inspired by this local landmark using household objects and everyday things. We're going to think about balance and form, shape and composition as we arrange and design our structure. You will need lots of different household objects that can be stacked safely on top of each other. Feel free to raid your recycling bin and also think about objects that have interesting textures and interesting shapes as well. Maybe don't use anything that can break easily or get squished in the making. It's always good to start with your heaviest and largest objects first when building a hilltop in your home. This will create a strong foundation for your tower, for your structure, and ensure stability, which means you can build something really high. As we build and balance, let's be inventive and creative with our design. It's fun and a bit exciting to see our objects wobble and sway a bit. I now have some steps going up my hill, and there's a tree at the top. What kind of hill is it? Is it one with trees? Does it have a path leading up to the top? How high is it? What can you see at the top? You can bring in textures to add to your design. I found this scarf which I'm going to use because the colours of it remind me of the countryside, so I think it will be good for a hilltop. I've also found a green towel and a green cushion as well. But you can use anything that you have around you: blankets, tea towels, fabric, clothes. You were using our fabrics to drape over our structure and play around with it to create definition. Now I know this is essentially some pots and pans, books, toilet rolls, all stacked up with an old curtain and blanket over the top of it. But if I use my imagination, it's transformed into whatever I want it to be. It's totally open to interpretation. And that's what making art is all about. This here is the sloping side of the hilltop with its crevices. And it's a bit tricky to climb up this bit, so I'm going to find the path around the other side. I've found a gully with some water. It's a bit dry at the moment. Wonder where it leads to. Whoa, this bit's a bit steep. I found a cave halfway up. It looks quite deep inside. I've made it to the top, and I'm so high up I'm in the clouds. So when they part, I must be able to see for miles. The view's going to be amazing up here. And it's really calm. It's not very windy. What's the weather like at the top of your hill? I hope you really enjoy the activity. Thanks for taking part. Bye!